Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. And it really doesn't matter which pliers you use. I am going to fold this inwards a bit. And now when you open this up a bit, you can already see the wave shape starting to appear. But I am a bit annoyed by this part, so I am going in there with my saw blade to create a sharper corner. Trying to keep my fingers out of the way for filming. I'm making sure that this is connected perfectly. And again, I will solder this with hard solder. If you aren't feeling very confident about two hard silver soldering joints in your pieces, I need an applause for that one, then simply head over to the medium solder. And I don't know how you feel, but I really love this one. And I am happy that I did make the sharp corner here. And if you want to support my channel, feel free to browse around on my site and you will find a lot of stuff out there, tips, tricks, handouts, and of course my web shop.